Hello everyone, in this tutorial you will generate the front, top, right, align section, detail and asymmetric views of the model created in tutorial 4 of chapter 4. Use a standard A4 sheet for generating these views. Opening the model, start Autodesk Fusion 360 and open the model for which you need to generate drawing view from the data panel. Right click here, then choose open from the shortcut menu. Selected model gets opened here. Starting a new drawing document. Choose drawing from design. From the design workspace drop down, the create drawing dialog box is displayed. Click here, then choose drawing from design. Create drawing dialog box is displayed here. Select ISO option from the standard drop-down list in the Create Drawing dialog box if not selected by default. Make sure that ISO option should be selected in the standard drop-down list. Select A4 option from the Sheet Size drop-down list in the Create Drawing dialog box. Click here, then choose A4 option from the Sheet Size drop-down list. Select Landscape from the Orientation area and choose the OK button. The drawing workspace is invoked and preview of base view gets attached to the cursor. Also, the drawing view dialog box is displayed. Make sure that landscape option should be selected in the orientation area. Now click on the OK button. Drawing workspace is invoked and a preview of base view gets attached to the cursor. Also, drawing view dialog box is displayed here. Select the preferences option from the account settings and preferences flyout. The preferences dialog box is displayed. Click here, then choose preferences option from the flyout. The preferences dialog box is displayed here. Select the drawing option from the general node. Respective options are displayed on the right. Select the drawing nodes from the general node. Select ISO from the standard drop-down list and mm from the units drop-down list. Click here, then choose ISO option from the standard drop-down list and mm option from the units drop-down list. Select the Override or Restore Format Defaults below checkbox. The Project Angle drop-down list gets activated. Make sure that Override or Restore Format Default below checkbox should be selected. Select the third angle option from the Projection Angle drop-down list. Click here, then choose third angle option. Choose the Apply button from this dialog box. Click on the Apply button. Choose the OK button to close the dialog box. Click on the OK button to close this dialog box. Generating the parent and projected views. Select the front option from the orientation drop-down list and the visible and hidden edges button adjacent to the style option from the drawing view dialog box. Make sure that front option should be selected in the orientation drop-down list. And now select visible and hidden edges button adjacent to style option. Set the scale of the drawing to 1:4 ratio in the scale edit box. Enter 1:4 ratio in the scale edit box. Move the cursor to the middle left of the drawing sheet and then click on this location to place it. Move the cursor here and then click on this location to place it. Retain rest of the values in the dialog box and then choose OK button. The front view is generated and placed at this location. Click on the OK button. Now you can see that front view is generated. Choose the projected view tool from the Create panel. You are prompted to select the parent view to be projected. Choose the projected view tool. Select the parent view from the drawing sheet in the graphics window and move the cursor at the top of the selected view and specify a point to place the top view. Select the parent view and move the cursor at the top of the selected view. And then click here to place the top view. Similarly, move the cursor horizontally toward right and then move it upward. Preview of the isometric view is displayed. Specify a point to place the isometric view. Move the cursor horizontally toward right and then move it upward. Click here to place the isometric view. Right click in the drawing sheet, a marking menu is displayed. Right click here, marking menu is displayed. Choose the OK button from the marking menu. Click on OK. Now you can see that isometric view is created. Generating the section view. Next, you need to generate the aligned section view using the section view tool. Choose the section view tool from the create panel. You are prompted to select the parent view. Click here, then choose section view tool from the create panel. Select the top projected view as the parent view. You are prompted to specify the start point of the section line and the drawing view dialog box is displayed. Select the top view. On selecting top view, you are prompted to specify the start point of section line and drawing view dialog box are displayed. Move the cursor over the top view. The cursor snaps to a point. Click to specify the start point of the section line. Move the cursor over the top view. The cursor snaps to a point. Click here to specify the start point of the section line. Move the cursor vertically downward to specify the second point of the section line. Now click to specify the second point of the section line. As soon as you specify the second point, reference line of the section line will be created. Move the cursor vertically downward and click here to specify the second point of the section line. On specifying the second point of the section line, reference line of the section line is created. Right click and then choose continue from the marking menu. A preview of the section view attached to the cursor appears on the sheet. Also, you are prompted to specify the location for the section view. Right click here, then choose continue from the marking menu. Preview of the section view gets attached to the cursor and you are prompted to place the section view. Click to specify the location of the section view on the right of the top view. Next, press enter key. Click here and now press enter key. Modifying the hash pattern of the align section view. Double click on the hash pattern of the section view. The hash dialog box is displayed. Click here. Hash dialog box is displayed. Select the desired hash pattern from the pattern drop-down list. Click here and then choose dash option from the pattern drop-down list. Enter the value 0.5 in the scale factor edit box. The gap between the hatching line is changed accordingly. Enter 0.5 in the scale factor edit box. Enter 5 in the angle edit box. Choose the close button from the dialog box. Enter 5 in the angle edit box. Then choose the close button from the hash dialog box. Generating the detail view. Next, you need to generate the detail view of the circular feature of the model. Choose the detail view tool. From the create panel, you are prompted to select the parent view. Click here, then choose detail view tool from the create panel. Select the projected top view as the parent view. The drawing views dialog box is displayed and you are prompted to specify the center point of the detail view. Select the projected top view. On selecting this view, you are prompted to specify the center point of detail boundary and drawing view dialog box is displayed. Draw a circular boundary in the top view to create a detail view. Click here and then create a circular boundary to create a detail view. Place the attached detail view on the right side of the drawing sheet above the title block. Place the attached detail view here. Enter 1:3 in the scale edit box and choose the OK button from the drawing view dialog box. Enter 1:3 in the scale edit box and then choose OK button from the drawing view dialog box. Saving the drawing. Next, you need to save the drawing file. Choose the save option from the file menu. The save dialog box is displayed. Click here, then choose save option from the file menu. Save dialog box is displayed here. Enter C08-01 in the name edit box. Enter C08-01 in the name edit box. Click on the down arrow on the extreme right side of the location selection box. The save dialog box gets expanded. Click here. Select CAD sim from the project column. Next, choose the save button to save the drawing and exit the save dialog box. Select the CAD sim project from the project column and then click on the save button to save the drawing and exit the dialog box. Thank you for watching this video.